This is the You and Me parrot open top cage from Petco. It's navy blue, has a really cool open top feature. You have a really large front door and a center door, and two smaller side doors. I really like the deep pan. That's definitely a must with a bird cage. I'm not a fan of the skirts that people use to wrap around their cages. I like a deep pan. I like to feed them low. Pull-out tray. It does come with a grate, but I prefer them to walk around on pellets. I use horse pellets. Actually, they're made for horse stalls. You're actually supposed to mix them with water and spread them out in a stall. But I just put them just like that, and it's highly absorbent. So if you want to put it down, you just remove that. Close it like that, and then, and there you go. Online it says it's 24 inches long by 20 inches deep. That's with this. From bar to bar, it's actually 23 inches long and 19 inches deep. But the highest point is 32. These are 26, 32. But it's very roomy for parakeets. I've been looking at cages a lot lately, and I was trying to find one to have in my living room that is attractive, functional, easy to clean with the deep pan, and I needed an open top or a play top. So this really fit the bill. Petco had a sale on their website. This cage was $50 off, so it was $82 where I am. The store did a price match, so I got the sale price. They were very helpful. On top, I put I have a seagrass mat here. As you can see, I mounted it with wood. Little wood perches that I got, and then I took yarn and just wrapped it. So they have a little perch at the top, and they can fly off of it if they want. They want to. Still figuring it out, rearranging things. But I figured it would be pretty cool that they had a little platform they could use to go up and out if they want. If they want. If they want. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. It did come with cups, with covers. But I have my own that I use. And then the water I keep underneath this log perch to shield it from yuckies. From yuckies. You guys are so cute. You guys are so cute. I do wish this was more affordable on a regular basis. Bird cages are so pricey and so tiny. So tiny. I did have an issue when I opened the box. One of the doors was bent, but I bent it back just fine, no issues. It is metal. That can happen.